Welcome to Strategic Armed Forces. When we talk about the world's most powerful militaries, one European nation consistently stands among the elite: France. This is a country with a proud military legacy, advanced technology, nuclear power status, and a truly global reach. From Africa to the Indo-Pacific, from NATO missions to independent global operations, the French armed forces are built not just for defense, but for power projection. Today, let's take a deep look at the French military as we head towards 2026, its strength, structure, weapons, and why France remains one of the world's most respected military powers. The French armed forces, or Forces Armées Françaises, are ranked among the top 10 strongest militaries in the world. France is a nuclear-armed nation, a permanent member of the UN Security Council, and one of the most active military powers globally. Let's look at some key numbers. They have around 205,000 active personnel, with another 40,000 in reserve. Their annual defense budget is over 45 billion euros, and they maintain a network of military bases across Africa, the Middle East, the Caribbean. France is one of the few countries capable of conducting full-spectrum military operations, independently in land, at sea, in the air, and even in cyberspace and outer space. The French Army, the Armée de Terre, is the backbone of this military power. With around 115,000 active soldiers, it's a highly professional, modern, and expeditionary force. Key units include armored brigades, mechanized infantry, and rapid reaction forces, alongside elite airborne and mountain troops. Their main equipment is top tier. They operate the Leclerc main battle tank, one of the most advanced tanks in the world. They also have the VBCI infantry fighting vehicle, the battle-proven and highly mobile Caesar self-propelled artillery, and the formidable Tiger attack helicopter. The French Army focuses on speed, mobility, and precision, which makes it extremely effective in overseas deployments. Next, we have the French Navy, the Marine Nationale, which is among the most powerful navies in Europe. Its key strength lies in its nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, the Charles de Gaulle, and its fleet of nuclear ballistic missile submarines, which form the core of France's nuclear deterrence. They also command advanced destroyers and frigates. Major assets include the Charles de Gaulle carrier itself, the Barracuda-class nuclear attack submarines, the Triomphant-class ballistic missile submarines, and the state-of-the-art FREMM and Horizon-class warships. This capability allows France to operate a carrier strike group independently, giving it unmatched naval influence on the world stage. Finally, let's talk about the French Air and Space Force. It's modern, lethal, and technologically advanced. Its star player is the Dassault Rafale, a multi-role, nuclear-capable fighter jet that's considered one of the most versatile combat aircraft in the world, proven in multiple theaters. For logistics, they rely on the A400M Atlas for strategic airlift, alongside a fleet of advanced surveillance and refueling aircraft. But France's power projection doesn't stop in the atmosphere. They have an active space command, military satellites, and dedicated cyber warfare units, cementing France's position as a true multi-domain military power. How powerful is the French military really? Let's take a closer look beyond the headlines. You might be surprised by what we find about France's army. France isn't just a European power, it's a global player with a military punch that few can match. First, let's talk about the ultimate insurance policy: nuclear weapons. France is one of the few nations on Earth with this capability, and they do it their own way. They maintain a completely independent nuclear deterrent. This isn't just a symbolic force. It includes submarine-launched ballistic missiles constantly patrolling the deep. This strictly defensive strategy is designed to guarantee national survival and strategic independence, placing France in a very exclusive club of global powers. But France's strength isn't just about nukes. When it comes to boots on the ground, their special forces are legendary. These aren't just well-trained soldiers. They are among the most experienced and battle-hardened operators in the world. We're talking about elite units like the 1st Marine Infantry Parachute Regiment, the Navy's formidable Commandos Marine, and the Air Force's own Special Operations Teams. These forces aren't sitting at home. France has a long history of leading and participating in complex missions all over the globe. From counterterrorism operations across Africa and the Middle East to reinforcing NATO's eastern flank in Europe and projecting power in the Indo-Pacific, French troops are constantly deployed. This gives them an incredible depth of combat experience, professionalism, and the adaptability to operate in any environment. So, when you put it all together, you see a picture of a military that is not just strong, but globally active, technologically advanced, and strategically independent. With its nuclear deterrent, a world-class navy, a modern air force, and a highly trained army, France remains one of the most powerful and respected militaries on the planet. Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, the French armed forces will continue to be a cornerstone of global security, a key contributor to NATO's strength, and a vital force for international stability. Their unique blend of independent capabilities and alliance commitments makes them a force to be reckoned with. If you enjoyed this in-depth military analysis, subscribe to Strategic Armed Forces. Thank you for watching.